Today we're going to learn how to leverage our time.
Welcome to the Love of Business. I'm Crystal.
And I'm Sunshine. Let's get to it. So today we're going to focus on creating more time. Crystal, so many business owners struggle with this. Can you give us some tips on how to manage our time?
Yes, I'm very excited about this topic. This is a very important topic, so I'm glad that we're talking about it today. A lot of times I hear a lot of people say, I run out of time, I don't have enough time. And what they're essentially doing is they're using time as an excuse for not getting things done. So starting with the basics, there is no such thing as time management. Time will keep going whether we do something or not do something. What really exists is self-management and learning how to manage yourself in a way that you can get all your tasks done.
Okay, so if time management doesn't exist, can you give us some tips on self-management?
Yes, I can. One of the best tips you'll ever receive in terms of managing oneself is planning your week ahead of time. So actually getting your schedule out the week before and mapping out all your work time of what you're going to be working on and how long you're going to be working on that task. And you want to view your schedule as your boss, meaning whatever it says during that time, you have to switch gears whether you're done with that particular task or not.
Wow, Crystal, that's really eye-opening. Thank you for sharing that. What's your number one takeaway from today's video? Leave us a comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.